Hello everyone, my name is Shivan Sharma, and this is a video on my Kaggle Hackathon submission, and I'm going to show you my notebook on which I've done my work. So this is my notebook titled Meta Kaggle Submission, and I'm Shivan Sharma presenting to you my work on this hackathon. So the first thing that we have done in this notebook is that we have imported the Kaggle Hub library. Excuse my pronunciation. So in the in the Kaggle Hub library, or the Kaggle Hub helper, I mean to say, we first read the competition tags.csv file, and after we have read this competition tags.csv file, we then print the statement download dataset loaded successfully. Afterwards, we go up to the cleaning and optimization step, as you can see here. And in the cleaning and optimization step, we have selected the ID and competition ID and the tag ID columns. And then we have cleaned the data. The cleaning step includes dropping null and duplicate rows, casting columns to 64-bit integers, uh, for consistency and memory efficiency, and printing the shapes, as you can see here, clean data set shape df.shape, printing the shapes of printing the shape of the descriptive stats, to confirm that everything has loaded as much we have expected. So then we have the basic stats here, which is using the describe method, by which we are getting the min slash max, or mean or quartiles for every numeric column. And we've also used the print statement descriptive statistics, and then we have used the frequency plot for competition IDs. And this is our first plotting. So the distribution of the competition ID is done by the statement here, which is sns.histplot. We've also imported the Seaborn library as SNS. So in this, it is used to showcase how the competition IDs are spread out. Are they clusters or there gaps in it? So we can see the first plot here, so distribution of competition IDs. So you can see that they're a little bit clustered right here, and there are a little bit gaps over here, which is one of the things why we are using this kind of plot, to visualize that are there clusters there, or is there kind of gaps in the plotting. So then the next thing that we do is to use the top 20 most common tag IDs. And this ranks the tags by raw frequency, specifying the most common topics which are there. And you can see the plot right here, top 20 most frequent tags. And in this, 14101 is the most frequently appearing tag ID. So afterwards, we head to the other plot, which is, excuse me, I'm getting a little bit lost in this. There's so much code. So after this, we go to tags to competition diversity. The plot type used here is a bar plot, and it measures how many different competitions each tag touches, diversity over mere counts, right? And then we go into a heat map plotting of tags versus competition. We've used the SNS heat map, SNS Seaborn library as SN. We've imported it as SNS, and we're using the heat map plotting, heat map graph here, which visualizes the binary matrix of which tag appear in which competitions, letting patterns emerge at a glance. So this plotting is used to make those patterns emerge at a glance. Afterwards, we've used the Plotly library for an interactive tree map. An interactive tree lab is a space filling view of how the top 20 30 tags compare in terms of competition coverage. This is what we have done here. And afterwards, we have extended our visualization from just these mere tags, from just these mere graphs, to more like histogram of tags per competitions, and box plot of unique competition per tag, scatter plot, which is tag frequency versus unique competitions, and cumulative distributions of tag frequency, CDF. Along with that, co-occurrence of heat map for top 20 tags build for top 20 tags, right? And I go through all of these uh, extended plots one by one. Wait a second. So first of all is the histogram of tags per competition. Our goal in this plotting is to identify competitions with unusually many or few tags, right? To identify the anomaly. Then we went on to box plot of unique competition per tag. Our goal is here to spot the outlier tags that span far more competitions than typical. So again, we are looking at to spot the outliers here. Then we go on to a scatter plot between tag frequency and unique competitions to see whether the most frequent tags also appear across wide range of competitions. And then at the end of this all, not at the end, I'm sorry. Then we go on to cumulative distribution of tag frequency (CDF) to understand uh, what share of total tag usage is covered by top n tags. For example, top 10 tags cover 80% of the usage, which we have plotted right here, as you can see. And then lastly, we go on to co-occurrence heat map for top 20 tags. This our goal here with this visualization is to reveal which tag appears together in same competition. Ideally for spotting the natural tag clusters. So which kind of tags lie together in a cluster with each other. Lastly, this is my submission, and it was a great experience being part of this hackathon. I learned a lot as a fresher. This was a very humbling and eye-opening experience, and whatever the result would be, I'm thrilled, and I had much more fun doing this competition. So thank you very much.